Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, in this video I am going to talk about those people who are really willing to learn this language but they are not starting their journey just because of not having deep guidance, not having detailed guidance for learning this language. Whenever they ask to anybody, they are suggested to read, write, listen, and speak. And that's how getting such guidance for starting learning English, speaking English, they don't feel satisfaction. उनको सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिलता है कि क्या रीडिंग लिसनिंग स्पीकिंग टेल समथिंग डिफरेंट गिव मी डीप गाइडेंस टॉक टू मी प्रैक्टिस विथ मी according to them they don't get guidance, so they don't feel satisfied, and that's how they don't show their interest to start their journey speaking English journey. So I want to say something for them, my dear friend. If you want to start speaking journey, so and you want to take help from someone, so first you have to help yourself, then other will you. Okay, and what you have to do, you want to speak, so whatever you are being suggested, follow that one, because it's really important point: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. Don't think that everybody suggests the same thing and you are not feeling satisfied. Think that this is the important things. If I do, then I can. If I don't, then I can't. So, if you do follow and do hard work, whatever you are being told, so in this way, you will go ahead. Other will also suggest you next guidance. बट आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर कोई ऐसा हो जो मुझे ये रीडिंग, लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग का गाइडेंस ना दे के मुझे जो है डिटेल में गाइडेंस दे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस दे, मेरे को टाइम दे, मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करे. इफ़ someone is like that, then I will start my English journey. Otherwise you don't have interest to start your journey, so this is your fault, this is your mistake that you are doing, and in this way you are stopping yourself not to start the journey. If you want to take help from others, you have to help yourself first. आपको पहले खुद की मदद करना है, खुद को प्रिपेयर करना है, जो भी आपको बताया जा रहा है उसको फॉलो करना है एंड हार्ड वर्क करना है, तभी जो है लोग आपको नेक्स्ट गाइडेंस मिलते जाएगा, नेक्स्ट हेल्प मिलते जाएगा. बट ओनली थिंकिंग दिस, यू आर नॉट शोइंग योर इंटरेस्ट टू स्टार्ट योर जर्नी, टू टेक ए स्टेप आउट, देन हाउ यू कैन फुलफिल your dream to speaking English. So nobody has got complete guidance, okay, when they think for learning English. Even I, when I had decided for learning English, that time I also didn't have complete guidance. But being a beginner, we want complete guidance, deep guidance, but we don't get. Anybody suggest us in summarized way, in short way, whatever main important things they tell us to do, and that's how I was also told and started my journey. So you also have to start. Don't wait for deep guidance, for complete guidance. If you want, then go and join any classes. If you want, if you have need such guidance, you can't go ahead with little guidance, so you can join any classes, coaching classes, where you will be given deep guidance, complete courses. But if you want to learn free of cost, so everybody will tell you in this way. Okay, main point, they will tell you what you have to do. Now it will be your responsibility whether you will do or not. If you do, then you will go ahead, you will learn, and next time if you want to ask, they will again guide you. But if you are not satisfied, you don't want to do, so you can't do. So if you want help, so you have to first help yourself. Okay, because it is your dream, it is your dream, so it is your responsibility. Okay, what you can do to achieve it. Okay, you have to show your interest, you have to show your hard work, you have to connect with the people, you have to know, ask to the people what should you do, and create the environment and everything, then you can do. But if you are waiting that someone will come and tell you and give you, suggest you everything, so nothing is going to be happen. It's better to go and join the classes where you will be given everything completely. Okay, so now I told you. Okay, now it's your responsibility, what do you want to do. So my dear friend, if you are someone, okay, and you can't afford the classes, but you want to speak English, but you are waiting, okay, for deep guidance, for complete guidance, so I will say that it is not going to come to you. प्यासे के पास पानी चल के नहीं आता है, प्यासा जो है वो पानी के पास चल के जाता है. So you want to speak English, so you have to search, you have to think, you have to connect and create everything, then it can be done. Then it can be done. Otherwise, those content people, guider won't come to you. Okay, so understand it and take a step out, help yourself, ready yourself, then see other people will also help you. You will get the guidance, you will get the help, confident, and that's how you can start your English journey and make your dream come true. So what are you waiting, and why are you waiting? I told, प्यासे के पास पानी चल के नहीं आता है, प्यासे को पानी के पास चलकर जाना होता है. Okay, so keep it in your mind and start, take a step and search the way and all the activity, how it can be made possible, and do that one. So now I hope you will understand after watching this video. If you, so I will be so happy. So for today that's it, we will meet in next video with new something. So bye bye.